What's going on, guys? CarReview guys here. My name is AJ and welcome to my garage. This week and, well, really today, you guys know how we release different things in certain weeks based on press cars and whatever else. This week we have a Corolla GR, definitely a fun little car. Nonetheless, this video is all about the C8. And you guys know, I've owned some supercars, some controversial, some not. Acura NSX, I've owned two of them, and I've also owned two Gen 1 Audi R8s, one gated, one R-tronic. So again, debatable on those. The NSX 100% meets every requirement for a supercar. Nonetheless, we have gone back to a C8. We talk about that in another video. To make a long story short, you can fit two golf clubs in the back and also still have all your stuff to travel in the front, which is super nice. Now, this spec is really nice. I wanted like a silver or a gray exterior, and then on the interior, I really wanted to have the gray, right? That's super important to me. Now, the only thing it didn't have that I didn't love, this car does have mag ride and front lift as well, but these wheels. If you like them, I'm going to apologize right now. I think that you should just get normal wheels because for one bad driving session, I can make them look the exact same way. That is a pre-curbed wheel. You will never change my mind on that. When I look at that and I see that from a distance, I go, holy cow, they don't know how to drive. Look at that thing curbed. That's just what it looks like. It looks horrible. The wheel design as well, not great. Love my Corvette, love Team Corvette. Super proud of what they've developed. The wheel, not so much. Now, thanks to my friends over at oewheelsllc.com, they have hooked me up with some wheels. And these are the wheels that I wanted. Now, in all fairness, I reached out to them. This was me reaching out to them. This is something that I wanted because it is a quality wheel. It just so happens we are partnering together on this one, so this is a sponsored video. But anything on their website, if you go to oewheelsllc.com/CVG, that will get you 10% off. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show the unboxing here really quick. We're going to mount them and everything in this video as well, but I've already taken a peek at this one wheel, but nonetheless, it comes with this on top and all those spacers, directions, all that stuff is on very top. Then you got, actually, there is plastic clear over here. That's over the very top. Then you have this little net, and then you have the edge protector as well. Then you can lift this stuff up, and then you could take a peek at the wheel. So that's how good it is. Now, obviously, you can see they're gloss black. I'm not going to show you the full design quite yet. We're going to get to mounting them and putting them on the car. But once again, everything on their website, right? This is for you all. And I got to tell you, super high quality. Look at how the box comes as well. Very protected, does not look like junk. I've had some other wheels that are not great. So I'm really excited about this. And if you guys have been around for my channel, I do not recommend just any company for myself to make money. I pass on a ton, majority of sponsorships, and I do not make a lot of money right now on anything YouTube related. That's a fact. Even with 24,000 subscribers, I will show you guys what I make. If you really want to make a video about it, just comment down below. Nonetheless, partnering with these guys, OE Wheels LLC, and I'll have the description down below, /CVG, and it should, off of that link, automatically apply the discount code. If not, discount code CVG. So without further ado, let's get these wheels over into the wheel carrier, aka the wife's vehicle. Let's get this thing changed out of these terrible looking wheels. Let's roll. In 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, we showed just a little clip of it being at Discount Tire. Once again, in Casa Grande, Arizona. Discount Tire, huge shout out to them. They took such extreme caution and care with this car, and really, it's got to be noted. You may wait a little while or something like that, but I got to tell you, those guys absolutely do such an amazing job. Great customer service, so huge shout out to them. Now, moving on to the wheel full reveal. And let's go ahead and just show the little cinematic. Check these out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that cinematic and the full reveal of these C8 Z06 replicas. They look amazing. They are such high quality looking wheels. And again, you can get them too 10% off with my code. Again, for any Stingray, they have other things as well. It doesn't have to be these wheels. Go onto their website. Again, the link that you want to use is oewheels.com/CVG. Should automatically apply the code. If not, in the discount code, type in CVG. It'll give you the 10% discount. And I got to tell you guys, you guys know I do not, as I've already stated, I don't sit there and promote companies very often. There are two main companies that I've really worked with. Morimoto taillights, they were amazing. Thoroughly impressed with those on my C7 that I built. I did a whole series. If you didn't see that, go check that out. And then these guys, this is the second company. Now I've done like little odds and ends as far as like jump starter packs, stuff like that, you know, isn't really the value side of things. Like the taillights are pretty expensive, not crazy expensive. And then wheels, this is not a small purchase, right? But these guys really are really good customer service as well. And also, again, you can get a discount. So that's all the more there is. And again, this is a shorter video. This isn't crazy long, but I did want to at least share with you these wheels and just truly how good they look. We'll go over here one more time. We'll show you all four. It's just not as good for lighting, obviously, over here because they're in the shade, but nonetheless, check those things out. Like, I'll get real close even. Like, they're clean. Like, they are really well done. All four of them. Come back here so you can check these out as well. Again, get real close so you can see. Really good, nice looking. They have a good gloss to them, no scratches or anything. They fit perfect. Again, really big shout out to them. And to be honest, if they didn't fit well and they weren't good, I would have just returned it to them and been like, you know what, I'm good. I'm not going to promote something that isn't really good. And these are honestly better than my expectations. I didn't expect them to look quite as good as they do, but man, I am so thrilled just looking at these things. It looks really good. The other thing that you guys haven't seen is probably the front splitter. Can't remember if I unveiled that or not. Maybe I did. Can't remember at this point. But nonetheless, I know a lot of talking in this video, not a lot of driving. We try to do more driving, but I wanted to unveil this. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And one last time, I will put the link in the description below as well. I'll do some shorts as well in case you missed this video. oewheelsllc.com/CVG. And that is what's going to get you the 10% off. Be sure to check them out because what an amazing product. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.